Today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your date formats in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you have the Sheets app open on your iPhone and you want to change the format of your dates, here's how you can do it. So I have some example dates right here on my spreadsheet, and right now the format is the month / the day / and the year. So if I wanted to change it to, let's say instead of /, I wanted dashes, then I can simply select that range, tap on the first cell, then drag it down to the rest so you can select the entire range. Here we have it. The next step would be to tap on the format tool at the top right here. Tap on it, and here we have our options. So right now we're on a text format. What we want to do is to tap on the cell format right here. And at the bottom, you will see the number format. If we tap on this, here are the different formats that we can do with our values. Now at the bottom, you will see your date format. So first we have the date, the time, the date time, and the duration. And at the very bottom, we have more date or time formats. So if you don't want to use the slashes for your format, then you can just tap at the bottom right here, and now we'll see the different formats that we can choose from. So again, right now our format is month / day / year, and that's the full year. Now what if we wanted to, let's say, have it in dashes, like this second row right here? If I tap on this format, it would automatically be applied to my selected range. There you have it. If we want to change it, let's say we don't want the full year, we only want the last 2 digits, then we can also tap on this one right here. There you go. Now if you want something else, you can keep scrolling up like so, and here are the different date formats. We also have the time format at the bottom, but basically the dates are at the top. So let's say we want the full name of the month, then the day, then the full year. We can tap on this one right here. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You can change the formats for your dates here in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone or your iOS device. Now, if you want to learn more on how to use the Sheets app on your iPhone, I have a full playlist that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to check out. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I also have a free guide linked in the description below that you should also check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.